My name's Aaron Petty and I'm a yoga teacher from Melbourne in Australia. I've just started this YouTube channel as a platform for me to share my yoga with you on the internet. So thank you for being here. I came into yoga at a time in my life where my body wasn't working to its fullest potential. I spent a lot of time wakeboarding when I was younger, and that really just led me to be, I guess you'd call it a bit of a cripple. I couldn't walk for very long without having to have a sit down. My body was tight, my body was sore. I had 3 ACL surgeries, and then I had a ankle reconstruction. So there was a lot of knives digging into my body, and it really just wasn't a great time. So it was one of my friends, Dill, and he pretty much just said to me, hey man, do you want to come and try some yoga with me? And I thought, you know what, why not? So I got in there, I gave it a crack, and since that day, pretty much I've practiced day in, day out, for as long as possible. And I found that yoga has really kind of changed the way that I approach life. It's changed the way that my body looks, it changed the way that my body feels. So for me now, I guess yoga is the time in my day where I can just take those couple of hours to really work on myself, to work on my body, and then put my best self forward into each and every situation that presents itself to me in my life. So this channel is really just my way to share that with more people, and it's not going to be anything crazy at the start. We're going to start to just move through some really basic ways that you can start to limber up, you can start to get a bit fitter, you can move your body in a way that's going to be really functional, and it's going to help you to kind of do the things that you want to do more. It's going to help you to recover. And it doesn't really matter if you're flexible, it doesn't matter if you're a little bit overweight. Just jump in there, give it a crack, and that's all that you can do. I mean, if you have a mat at home, that's great. If you don't, do it on the carpet, roll a towel out, it doesn't matter. What's important is that you are taking this time for yourself to, you know, just get it done. So with that said, that pretty much wraps up what we're doing here. We're doing yoga. It's very simple. So I will try my best to get a video out every week. If you guys have something that you really want to work on, if there's something you want to learn, if you have questions, if you have requests for our first few videos, or questions how to do things, just chuck them in the comments and I can work on that for you. I'm really here to serve you. I know what works for me in my own practice, and me teaching is just a way to help other people the way that yoga has helped me. So I'm really here to serve. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next video.